Hey guys, Mark here. A few weeks ago, Sony dropped these headphones, the WH-1000xm3s, and ever since I've heard nothing but praise about them. So I decided to buy them for myself to see what all the fuss was about. And boy, I'm glad I did. When you first unbox the headphones, you're greeted by this lovely oval gray case with rose gold accenting. Inside, there's a spot for the included 3.5mm audio cable, a very, very tiny USB-C cable, and a two-prong airline headphone converter for those overseas flights. Underneath the headphones is a handy little reminder card showing you how to put the headphones back into the case and how to operate them. This headset does have a lot of features we'll get into in just a bit, so the reminder card is a nice touch. The headphones themselves feel premium. The padding on the ear cups and the headband is extremely soft and is made out of a high quality material. And the rose gold accenting is carried over from the case zippers. Other than that though, the headphones fly under the radar with a sleek matte black finish. The majority of the XM3s are made with a soft feeling plastic, which was likely done to keep the weight down. Speaking of which, the headphones comes in at around 255 grams or 9 ounces. They are significantly lighter than expected, and coupled with the very comfortable headband and ear cups, I never feel like I need to take them off. I used them for 5 or 6 hours at a time before and never once felt uncomfortable. The XM3s feel durable too. They don't make a sound when you're stretching or tugging on them. The headphones are charged with USB-C and they charge very quickly. According to Sony, just 10 minutes of charging time will get you nearly 5 hours of playback. Even more impressive is that the XM3s have a battery life of approximately 30 hours, which is a lot longer than most of the competition. These headphones come with a whole slew of features, the first of which is fairly obvious. They're wireless through Bluetooth 4.2. Of course, they can also be used without a charged battery through the included 4-foot 3.5mm audio cable. The best features appear when the headphones are turned on though. Pressing and holding the power button on the left ear cup will activate the XM3s. By default, the active noise cancelling built into the headphones will kick in and attempt to eliminate the sounds of the outside world. And I have to say, this is where I was immediately floored. The noise cancelling built into these headphones is like nothing I've ever heard before. In a lot of cases, the XM3s will not only reduce the sounds around you, but will also completely eliminate them. Here's what it sounds like when you put the headphones on and fire them up with full noise cancellation.
Noise cancelling.
Without a doubt in my mind, these are the best noise cancelling headphones I've ever tried, period. But the cool stuff doesn't stop there. Built into the right ear cup is a touchpad where you can control many different things. Swiping forward and back will change the songs, swiping up and down will change the volume, tapping once will play and pause, and pressing and holding will activate Google Assistant from your phone, Cortana from your computer, or Siri from your Apple devices. My favorite feature of this touchpad comes in when you cup your hand over it. When you do that, the XM3's 3 microphones will activate and take in sound from all around you. At the same time, it'll turn down your music or whatever you're listening to all the way. The result of this is that you can hear everything around you as if you weren't even wearing headphones. It really comes in handy when someone's trying to talk to you or even get your attention. The noise cancelling and ambient sound functions of the XM3s are also highly adjustable within Sony's headphone app. I won't get into all of the functions in this video, but I will have a full guide on how to do literally everything with this headphone and app combination in a later video, which you can find up here or up here somewhere. I can never remember where that link comes up, but anyway. For now, just know that you can change the level of noise cancelling and make it perform differently depending on the activities that you're doing. If you don't like the noise cancellation and you want to hear everything from all around you all the time, press the button above the power button. This will activate ambient sound and you'll be able to hear things as though you didn't have headphones on at all. The headphones also have NFC built into the left ear cup, and it does support calling, although the call quality really isn't all that great. In terms of performance though, the XM3s are absolutely superb. Though they are closed back headphones, they have a wider soundstage than I was expecting. Details in the lows and mids were stellar, and the highs coming in a little less detailed, but still great nonetheless. For listening to music, absolutely anywhere, I'd say the XM3s are a winner. The deep, resounding bass also makes it a great contender for movie watching, and although I'm no audiophile, I definitely can say that these headphones will be my go-to for most of my sound design needs. The XM3s also do a great job with retaining their sound, allowing very little of it to get to the outside world. If you're looking for a premium wireless noise cancelling experience, the XM3s are the way to go. I wasn't sure why the internet was blowing up over these headphones before I bought them, but now that I have them, I know why. These are absolutely one of the best wireless headphones money can buy, period. At $350 US, they're not cheap, but they're worth it. If you're interested in buying them, I'll put a link down to where you can find them in the description below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to support my channel, and as always, have a great day.